Ziggy, 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 zag. Ziggy, 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 zag, zag, zag. Giggles with Ziggy Zag.
Hi, Ziggy. Hi, Zag. Today is a good day to crack some jokes. What do elephants have and no other animal does? A trunk? No. Baby elephant. That's so cute. Why did the golfer wear 2 pair of pants? Because the ball used to hit him on his bone. No. In case he got a hole in one. Oh, that's funny. What if he was wearing one? We could have seen his underwear. Ew. Why did the cookie go to the doctor? Because someone bit it? No, he was feeling crummy. Oh. What's the biggest mouse in the world? Father Mouse. No, silly. It's a hippopotamouse. Like hippopotamouse. That's cool. What did the porcupine say to the cactus? Spike? No. Are you my mother? Oh, that's Smokey. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Keep watching Giggles with Ziggy Zag.
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.